Hi guys, this is Rehan and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will going to teach how to draw this photo of Blackpink member Jennie. It will be a step-by-step tutorial. If you're new in this channel, please subscribe the channel for more awesome videos. Let's start the tutorial. So guys, for today's drawing I use grid method. So the size of each boxes is 1 scale, mean 2.9 centimeters. So let's start the outline. We will draw the eye in 5 rows and 5 columns. So let's draw the other eye of this drawing. So now we will draw the nose. Now we will draw the lips. So let's start the outline of the face. So let's draw the hair. So guys, we draw the perfect outline of Blackpink member Jennie. Hope you will enjoy this video, like the video, and hope you watch this type of drawing videos. Please subscribe the channel for more awesome these types of videos. Please comment down your opinion about this drawing. I will upload the shading tutorial of this drawing. For the notification of shading tutorial video, subscribe the channel and thanks for watching.